I used to have a pain in my right knee, and I didn't know it was associated, and the back pain also. I didn't know that it was associated with the knee, with my knee. So I consulted Dr. Asam in 2017, and he said that there's a possibility that this can be changed. But during that time, there's no option. He didn't suggest any surgery at all. Due the course of time, because maybe in work-related also, it got worsened. Then I decided to go back to Dr. Asam as well, and then he suggested that I have to undergo knee replacement surgery, and this time it's robotic.
We have done successfully the first robotic knee replacement at Prime Hospital. What is so special about it? Robotic assisted knee replacement has been the latest advancement which we are experiencing in the joint replacements section all over the world. It has given a lot of advantages to us, and robotic has been there for a while, but now it has gained advancement with the advancement of the software, which helps us in calculating actually doing the surgery on the screen and then coming back to the knee. As you would see some of the clips during the surgery, that after we have done the assessment and verification and mapping of the knee joint, we go back to the robot screen where we do all the calculation of how much the cuts has to be done in different section of the femur and the tibia, plus also what is the gap we have to do it. And the most interesting part of it is that when you are doing the cuts, your hand is controlled by the robot, and it does not allow you to go beyond the precise the feed what you have given to the robot. Whereas what I mean to say that it will stop you from your hand to going more further deep into it, or right and left, or it precisely controls your hand. So that's why we call it a robot assisted knee replacement. Miss Leonard is our patient whom we have done successfully robotic assisted TKR, and she has been doing physiotherapy, has been going on well, and she has been able to walk with the support of the walker and without the support of the walker. This is all because of the robot, which has given us the precise measurement and everything which is required for a successful knee replacement.
After the surgery, I cannot do proper walking, but now, after 7 weeks, I get rid of my walker. I don't have any stick at all, and I can cross my leg now.
We are expecting in the coming days to be doing more of these kind of surgeries with the robot assisted knee replacement at our Prime Hospital.
I would like to thank Dr. Asam for recommending the procedure for the total knee surgery on robotics, because I'm very well right now. I also want to extend my congratulations to him, to Prime Hospital, to his team, to Nurse Grace, to the physiotherapists. They've done a very good job. They are highly recommended by myself.